Well, somebody told me it's Christmas time, so that means here in California, since there's only one season, you go ahead and throw some lights up on the shrub outside. It's one of those desert plants that don't need water, but once every couple of weeks. It's crazy. It ain't no Louisiana, but it's going to do anyway. Thank you all for tuning in for another episode of Forgotten Gear Restorations. This one's more of a forecast, I guess you can say. Eric, one of the patrons here, had during one of the amp pickups where he picked up that old Magnetone and that Fender Champ 2, dropped these two beauties off. Here's a Gretch. I think he caught one like this on Uncle Doug's channel. You guys already know the prolific Uncle Doug, the OG. And then in the background of the shot, you might have caught a glimpse as to what's coming up beyond that one. And another Rivera era Fender product. So excited about this one. Take a peek. Very excited to bring you guys these. Hope this finds you well on this Sunday evening out here in Southern California. Wherever you may be, take care and have a great week.